Hello, I am Jensen and welcome back for another video of building Lego cars. I'm not really sure if this brick is official Lego, as some of these bricks are from another set. So today we're gonna build an Ironhide truck. If you don't even know Ironhide, well, he's a transformer. One of them. Well, if you haven't watched it, just watch it on Netflix. So we're gonna start with the base, as always. This time there are two separate templates since I couldn't find a black version. So you might need a long one, or you can just, if you have another of this in color, you can just put it at middle. So we go on to the wheels now. So this one is kind of big. That's alright. So if you have any space to fill up this, like black things, well, that'd be more better. And we go on to the front wheels. Put it at the front here. I run back also. Okay, now we put the front. This can also be flat if you have. So then we put it at the front. There you go. So you have the front now. Now we build the interior of the car. Might be not strong enough even if it's a long one. So you also need some support on top. You need the connected type to be at the line here. So yeah. But since I don't have enough, I'm just gonna put this. Some of those. Forgot what this was. So since Ironhide is a pickup truck, we're gonna need to put some pieces there. Then we continue. So then the rear lights can be red. If you plan on filling this up with some of the red light, that'd be nice. So yeah, this is the back of the pickup truck himself. And put this at front. And put this low pin down on the front. Then we can put this. Put this there. Then one at the back. So then there'd be some space here. You can also see here. We're gonna fill it up with some of this black the one I used for here. If you have enough of the black to fill up here, that'd be also good, as there won't be any lines. And for me, I don't have enough, so then this two become the roof. So here's the outcome. I know there's a lot of empty space here. It's ugly. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna make a video of this too soon, so stay tuned and subscribe. Bye.